Intro. Welcome to the Q4 FY26 earnings breakdown for HDFC Asset Management Company. Let's unpack the numbers. Dividend. HDFC AMC has recommended a final dividend of 54 rupees per share. A solid payout subject to shareholder approval at the upcoming AGM. Total income. The consolidated total income stood at 1,063.06 crore rupees, up 3.66% year-on-year, but down 13.88% quarter-on-quarter. Core revenue from operations was 1,051.51 crore rupees, while other income contributed 11.55 crore. Annual growth remained steady despite a softer quarter. Expenses. Total expenses for the quarter came in at 229.48 crore rupees, with employee benefit costs taking the largest share at 125.43 crore rupees. Other expenses stood at 78.28 crore. Management continues to maintain a tight leash on operational costs. EBITDA, estimated operating EBITDA, reached 856.70 crore rupees, representing a flat 0.28% increase year-on-year, though it fell 17.28% sequentially. The EBITDA margin remains robust at 80.58% against total income, showcasing the highly profitable, asset-light nature of the business. PBT, profit before tax, dipped slightly to 833.58 crore rupees, down 0.18% year-on-year, and dropping 17.79% from the previous quarter. This sequential drop directly mirrors the softer top-line performance. PAT. Net profit, or PAT, was reported at 622.66 crore rupees, down 2.47% year-on-year and a 19.07% drop quarter-on-quarter. The PAT margin still holds strong at 58.57%. Slower revenue growth translated to a slight bottom-line contraction. EPS, diluted earnings per share, stood at 14.48 rupees, reflecting a 2.75% year-on-year dip and a 19.06% drop sequentially. This moves entirely in tandem with the net profit trend. Summary. To wrap up, HDFC AMC delivered moderate YoY revenue growth, alongside a sequential dip, with PAT seeing a slight contraction. However, their margins remain incredibly stable and robust, maintaining their profile as a highly cash-generative player. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.